Hello all my JavaScript friends, this is the FWJS, aka Mike Smith, and this is Fun with JavaScript, our racing game. This is just a very quick little update. 2 weeks ago I was all happy. I've got the new track ready to go. I'm glad that happened. Look at that, isn't that cute? I got the new track ready to go. I popped the cars on it and ran the race, and it was just, to use the term, an unholy mess. So I had to do what I was actually planning on doing after I showed you how wonderful everything worked. I was going to do some refactoring because there was a lot of crap that I put inside of the code that hard-coded it toward that other track. And so basically I had to go ahead and start doing the refactoring immediately. So I started working on that, spent about 2 weeks on it here. It doesn't look like it, but I'm just about ready. I've got a couple of issues here that I'm still trying to deal with. One of the first issues is that, first of all, notice it kind of off to the right a little bit here, but that's the minor issue. But the big issue here is that once it hits a wall, there is a more than decent chance it just flat stops. You see blue stop there. And if it hits another car, there's more than decent chance that something will happen like it happened with, was that yellow or red? I don't know what color that was. Too late now because it is gone. It may have been pink. I can't quite remember. But anyway, the cards will act like they're basically exploding. So I think it's a restitution problem. I'm not 100% certain. So as you can tell here, we're close. It's just not quite there yet. I don't like it stopping on the car, on the walls. I don't like it slamming into the car. See, I was about to say it doesn't do it all that much, but there it goes right there. So I got to do some more work with it. I'm thinking that once I figure this part out, then what we'll do is that we will fix the track. As you can tell here, I did some modifications to the track, but it's got a very quick little, it's got a very sharp little dip right there. And so I want to be able to fix that to make it run a little bit better. Plus I want to be able to put the banking back into the curves. I took the banking out originally thinking that was some of my problems here. But so once I get all that in, and these cars run pretty good, this is my base card basically, then I'm going to put the models back on, the Ferrari, my, there he goes, ready to go, there he is, bye, see you later. But put the Ferrari back on, put the Cybertruck back on, put my, what we call my low poly car back on, and race those. And once we get that done, I could actually show you the videos as it happens here. You remember I told you when I first started this thing, I think it was back in what, September, October, I said, yeah, this is going to take a couple of months to do because I'm not a graphics programmer, so I've had to learn a great deal here. Wow. Actually, I kind of would like that in there, you know, it kind of blows everything up, but of course we won't have that in there. So, you know, just bear with me. We'll have all this thing working, hopefully here shortly. And if you like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks very much again for watching. Again, this is FWJS, aka Mike Smith. We'll see you later.